Hi, this is Monty again, our little puppy, and today he's in for his kennel cough vaccination, not little fella. So as we can tell, he's grown a little bit and he's doing really well. He's on, he's on Hill's puppy food, and he's doing great, aren't you, little fella? So he's doing really well in himself and going through a chewy phase, which is great, which they all go through. Obviously, when they do, say, a little owl, and he's been having puppy parties as well, although we missed the last one. But we're going to go tomorrow night. So we're going to have today's in for kennel cough vaccination. So we've given him a good looking over, but one more little listen to his chest, and let's spin him around. And then we might see about clipping his nails a little bit as well, because they're slightly bit sharp. It's nice to just take the edge off puppy's nails sometimes. Obviously he's been doing some pavement walking. But sometimes the nails are a little bit sharp. Like those teethies, little man. I don't want too much teeth. No, thank you. Actually, spin him around, Chloe. That's great. There you go. Good. Good, good, good. And he's been growing well. We've weighed him. He's doing really well. So, kennel cough vaccination is just a couple of drops that get squirted up his nose. So we're just going to do that today. And this is a live vaccine, so they can cough very slightly for a few days. It's obviously not the full kennel cough, it's not the full thing, but they can cough for a couple of days afterwards, but it's fine. We do like protecting against kennel cough because it can cause a nasty cough. It's not usually fatal, but we do like to protect them against kennel cough, and it's also included as part of our VIP. Yes, it is, little fella. So actually, let's give you a treat while you're waiting, little man, shall we? There you go, little fella. Ooh. Okay, that's all drawn up. Little fella, and just point him this way. I said, just hold his chin up a little bit, that's it. Oh, a little treat there for you, little fella. And one little drop just goes in the nose, just like that. There you go, fantastic. And you squirted the treat out as well. Do you want another treat, little fella? Hey? There you go, didn't he do well? Really, really well. So he's going to be protected, fully protected from about a week's time for any boarding categories and stuff. And we do recommend kennel cough vaccine for all dogs that are going to be sociable and mixing with other dogs. Obviously, if they're going into any kennels, etc. But kennel cough vaccine, kennel cough is nasty when they get it. They can cough a lot, and it can be a cough that hangs around for quite some time. So we do like to vaccinate for them, and it's included in our VIP as well, isn't it, little fella? So his plan is going to be he's going to have another puppy party tomorrow, and then the next time will be in a couple of weeks' time when we're going to weigh him and apply its advocate for his worms and fleas and lungworm. Great. So we're going to do some nails now, aren't we, little fella? Should we give that a go? Yes, we will. Okay, so Cliff, just lift his foot up there a little bit. So I don't know if we can see, but basically with our nails, what we want to be doing is they're a bit tufty. He needs a bit of his first trim actually. Is we're going to, they're dark nails, so we're just literally trimming the little tiny bit off the end, just taking it, because if they're pink nails, you can normally see the white bit at the end, but these are dark nails, so we're literally just taking, I'm just going to take, it's the first one I've done, so you might find it a bit weird. They don't like having the nails trimmed. So I'm just literally just taking some of the sharpness off. I mean, not on all of them, and not forgetting his dew claws, which sometimes are easier coming around the back, because he's playing with he's got lots of kids around, and what we don't want is him scratching them. So we're just taking the edge off them a tiny bit, and that's just mainly the front ones we need to worry about. That's these back ones are mostly okay. We try not to nick them because it is sore if we do nick them. Okay, let's pop them around the other way. And they bleed a little bit. It does tend to stop. We really want to try and not get his nails. And once he starts walking on pavement, they'll wear themselves properly. They'll wear themselves down anyway, usually. As I'm just literally taking the edge off them. There we go. Oh, you're doing so well, little man. He's being a good boy. Hey, Chloe, isn't he doing good? Oh, you're being a good boy. You are being a great boy. So this one last little foot. That's it. That's who's being good. That's lovely, Chloe. Fantastic. In fact, these back ones actually aren't too bad. That one's not too bad. That one's not too bad. That one's not too bad. Let's see if we've got one more to do. Hang on, mate. No, those are fine. That's it. So that was just it. Just a little nail tickling. Obviously, when we do something nasty, it involves a little trick, doesn't it, big man? That wasn't too bad at all, was it? Hey, who's a good boy? There we go. Fantastic. You did really well. Thanks, Chloe. Great. Thank you.